More than 2 years after the Francis Scott Key Bridge collapse, the legal fight is entering a new phase. Tomorrow, a civil trial is set to begin for claimants who have not yet settled, despite efforts by the ship's owner and manager to delay proceedings after federal criminal charges were announced. WJZ is live tonight. Drew Ongst is on your corner near where the bridge once stood. Drew, what can we expect with this trial? Obviously, it's been a long road to get to this point.
Yeah, for claimants who have not settled in this case yet, that trial is set to get underway tomorrow morning in Baltimore City and expected to last throughout the month of June. Now, you might remember last week, multiple families settled with the owner of the Dolly ship and the operators for an undisclosed amount. That came as a federal judge declined Synergy and Grace Ocean's attempt to postpone the civil case following the announcement of federal criminal charges. The lawyers who will be prosecuting the criminal trial actually requested the civil case be held up as well, but ultimately the judge allowed it to move forward. Many crew members on board the ship during the tragedy have pleaded their Fifth Amendment rights against self-incrimination and deposition. Some of them remain in Baltimore more than 2 years after the tragedy. Grace Ocean and Synergy have vigorously argued that they should not be held liable for the full amount and claim that the incident was, quote, beyond their control. Some of their arguments stem from an 1851 law that limits liability to the value of the ship and its contents, which in this case would be roughly $44 million. Now, you might remember the state of Maryland previously settled its case for $2.25 billion. Now, that money expected and supposed to go towards replacing the bridge, the cost of replacing the bridge, which has grown significantly and actually led to the split between the main contractor and the state. On your corner tonight for WJZ, I'm Drew Ongst.
All right, Drew, thank you very much.